Hi guys, happy Tuesday. It's Tammy with Embellish the Story. Thanks for dropping in. And I wanted to show you and give you a flip through of the French Teacup journal that we've been working on together. It's my first ever journal to do on YouTube. It's my first ever design project for anyone. And so, Anne, I want to thank you for letting me do my very first project. And it has been so much fun and such a great experience for me. And this is the French Teacup kit, is the name of this kit. And it really just works up a beautiful journal. If you get really pretty digitals, it's really easy to make a beautiful journal. So this one is so pretty, and the digital kit's so pretty. So if you would like to make your own journal or just embellishments to go in a journal you already have, you can find this kit on Etsy. The shop name is Odulcina, and that's where the digitals are. Anne has another shop called Odulcina Journals, and that's where she makes journals and sells them that she makes herself. And then you can see how talented she is on her YouTube channel, Odulcina Scrap Anne. So check her out. She's got a beautiful French accent, unlike my southern accent. I mean, her accent's just heavenly. So here it is. Here's the journal. And I put this sweet little girl on the front. All the papers I used, except for music paper, book page, and doily. All the other papers you will see in here are from her kit. And when there is this one piece of embellished paper I had. But here it is, and I'm going to just give you a flip through of it really quick. But I want to thank you guys for creating this with me. We've done tutorials on most of the, a lot of the embellishments in here, and I've just had a great time creating with y'all. This will not be in my Etsy shop. It will have a really special home soon. So without further ado, I'm just going to stop talking and let you see the journal. Thanks everyone for joining me. Happy crafting, and always remember to embellish the story. Bye-bye.